Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, today it's all about those ellipses. So when we are drawing still lifes, or even when we're sketching our brew, ellipses form everywhere. So I have a quick tip to make things easier. Follow me.
So, quick, easy tip for drawing ellipses. I use the point system, which is, if we were drawing a circle, we would draw a square, and our circle would fit in our square, touching all the sides. So you have a circle, which would look like that. This is drawn freehand, so it is not exact, but you'll see it's hitting these points here. And you'll note that a circle is symmetrical. That way and that way is symmetrical. So you could fold the pieces in, fold the paper in half, either way, and that would get a circle. So if we were drawing an ellipse, so we've got our cube. So what you do is you mark your halfway point. And then you would draw your circle, touching the points, making sure these are mirrored. So we've got these sort of and then our line goes down to the base. And we've got the same mirroring happening here. And that then becomes our cylinder.
I hope this has helped. There's loads more tips over on the Smart Art Academy, and I run online workshops which are live streamed, etc., etc. The details are in the comments. Like, subscribe, you know what to do.